Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The good news is Interactive Brokers makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stock in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on Interactive Brokers in 2026. So first thing, open an Interactive Brokers account. Like before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need an Interactive Brokers account. So first thing you have to do is visit Interactive Brokers or download the application or mobile application for its app. Create an account. Like if you have an account, good. If you don't have an account, open an account and complete identity verification and wait for account approval. Okay, so let's say that we already have an account or we just signed up. Okay, so the most important step after this is to fund your account. Okay, so before investing, you will need available buying power. Okay, so here you will have to open transfer and pay. Okay, and deposit, like select deposit funds, choose your funding method. Okay, and then transfer money into your account. Okay, so cash will be available and buying power too. Okay, so then search for NVIDIA, which is NVDA. Okay, so open the search bar, enter NVDA and select NVIDIA Corporation, as you can see here. Okay, so NVIDIA stock page opens and live market information displayed. So start a buy order. Okay, and click buy, select your account and choose an order type. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.